I think.
All right.
I have my car keys in my pocket.
Faraday, what was this again?
It is a Faraday 5505 horn strobe.
A Faraday 5505.
Can I pull it?
And a 5940 on a Gentex strobe plate over there.
Can I go ahead
And
and
this
pull it really
ESL
quick?
5060S, which we'll use to activate the system.
All right.
Which one of you wants to pull it?
Actually, I'll let you do the honors.
Yep, I will be the honors of pulling the ESL 5060S.
Okay.
That was loud.
It was.
And guess the strobe. When's the last time you fired that thing up?
Since system test 15.
So how long ago was that? Over a year?
Yeah, over a year.
I guess the capacitor.
By the way, audible silence on that.
The capacitor probably needed time to charge up.
Yeah, I had to slap it just to see if it would work, and it started flashing.
I slapped it too.
All right.
I
Reset?
didn't even know that the Faraday strobe was
All right. Reset.
flashing strobe. Yep.
Okay.
So we'll go ahead and reset the panel.
All right. Clear the alarm on the.
The pull station's still active. Reset the pull station. You pulled a total Andrew moment.
Whoops.
So
Reset
we
this.
forgot to reset the pull station. Jack's gotta reset it.
Oh yeah, you have B key, so. Yep.
It's all good.
The total new week server alarm
Alright.
moment we pulled. No pun intended.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, now let's try. Actually, should we set up another device?
We should go to the store.
Alright, we'll go ahead and reset the system.
All right.
Whenever we get back here, we'll mess with it some more before we drive home.
Alright. So,
Where did that mattress come from?
there we go, got it.
I don't know.
Alright, there you have it, folks.
All right.